In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Accountant Bookkeeper to Zoho Books. Adding your accountant to Zoho Books lets them work directly in your account so they can review transactions, reconcile accounts, and prepare reports without you sending files back and forth. To get started, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com, then sign in. If you manage more than one organization inside Zoho Books, glance at the organization name near the top to make sure you're in the right company before you proceed. Invites apply to the organization you currently have open. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That's the settings menu for your organization. Inside settings, find and open the users section. This is where you manage who can access your books and what they can do once they're in. On the users page, click Invite Accountant. This option is designed specifically for external accounting professionals and automatically assigns the accountant level access they need. It keeps sensitive administrative areas protected while still letting them view and work with your financial data. You'll see fields to enter details for the person you're inviting. Type in your accountant's full name so it's easy to identify them later. Then enter their professional email address. It's best to use the email they typically use for work and ideally the one linked to their Zoho account. If they don't have a Zoho account yet, the invitation will guide them to create one during acceptance. Double check the spelling of the email to avoid delays. When everything looks correct, click Save. Zoho Books will send the invitation to the email you provided. Your accountant will receive a message with a link to accept and sign in. If they don't see it within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and ensure that emails from Zoho aren't being blocked by their filters. After you've saved, you can remain on the users page to monitor the status of the invitation. Pending invites show that the message has been sent but not yet accepted. Once your accountant accepts, they'll appear as an active user and they'll be able to log in and begin working with your books according to their assigned access. That's all it takes. By inviting your accountant through the user section and using the dedicated Invite Accountant option, you give them the right level of access without exposing your administrative settings. This streamlined setup saves time, improves accuracy, and keeps your financial collaboration secure.